American rapper Takeoff shot dead. Apparently they were hanging out in a club and they were playing a dice game where Quavo had an altercation with people and the shootout started, and unfortunately Takeoff was shot dead. Takeoff has died at the age of 28 years. We are still waiting official confirmation from the family. This just happened a few hours ago. Watch video and you'll see moments just before Takeoff was shot dead.
All that shit, don't ask me what that.
Maddie, come inside, Maddie.
Trino. Come on, we gotta go.
What does that mean to y'all to build this sort of like legacy of that standard of what you guys do?
You know what I'm saying? We've been doing it for 10 years. It's a blessing. You know? It's time to go even beyond to infinity, you know? Time to go to the moon. Time to you know, that was the breakthrough. You ever seen a rocket, you know, just looking at it. And as it goes,
that's the rocket. That's the rocket right there.
You know what I'm saying? It breaks those little parts off and then they keep going in the air.
Yeah.
So we got going straight. We're going past. You know what I'm saying? We already took you to Jupiter, now we trying to go to Mars with this shit.
Yeah, just mean we can do so
maybe
much
another
more.
galaxy.
Yeah.
You ever
Right,
travel
sure.
light years, Ellis?
I love to, Quay.
Yo, we sliding through the town, man. Sliding through the town. How we get down? Got the birthday boy with me. Yeah. Yo, we on the field. Yo, we sliding through the town, man. Sliding through the town. How we get down? Got the birthday boy with me.